This episode's about installing the Skylight vent and the vent for the bathroom. One thing you realise when you watch these videos of people who have done similar jobs and are trying to deck out their bus as a camper is that there's no golden rule for anything. Everybody's just working it out as they go. So anyway, this is how I approached it and some of the lessons that I learned in doing it. So there it is, fixed, held in place with a wooden frame. It's the most nerve-wracking job I've done so far. Cutting a hole in the top of the bus. Whoa. So initially I wanted to get the larger fan, but with COVID, a lot of product was not available for weeks and weeks. So we ended up getting the vent with a smaller fan. The vent itself is the same size, but it just has a smaller fan.